back, nigga. Nigga, motherfucking minutes. You on camera, nigga.
Fucking Puerto Rican.
Nigga, yo, you're on, nigga.
Yo,
you know what I mean?
You need to stop being Puerto Rican. I'm with my nigga Menace. Yo, Puerto Ricans are always late to everything. Always.
I'm not Puerto Rican, though.
Why Spanish niggas always late to everything, dog? Spanish and black niggas.
I got a good excuse though. Cause my dick is so heavy that that drags
It's hard to drag. I understand it. That's not a bad
My nigga Craze right here. My nigga playing the background right there.
Look at that nigga's eyes, son. That nigga's fucking crazy, man. he looks cute, but that nigga's no homo. That nigga is crazy, man. Me, I came in, busted ass like I'm supposed to do. Second round stoppage, your boy Super Shots. And them niggas out, man.
I got them rhymes, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I got the rhymes, so my nigga G got the rhymes. Problem, my nigga. We in motherfucking, I don't know where, we in Long Island.
I'm taking my nigga Danny.
Lindenhurst or some